With Builder's FirstSource, one of the great long-term winners over the last 20 years, but down about 50% or more over the last few years, is it worth a look? Well, let's put it through the Pulse framework and find out. I'm going to switch to the template. Give me a second. And put in the ticker BLDR. And let's load the data and take a look together. All right, well, let's start with the economic profits, which is the P. This is a good looking chart. I would say economic profits are positive. They're rising. That's all good. The only negative is this decline of the last few years. Now, to me, this looks like a quick spike and a quick decline, so it could be cyclical, something to investigate, but certainly not disqualifying. Switching to the underlying free cash flow, or the U, this is also a good chart. It's positive free cash flow. It's rising. Same up and down pattern of the last few years, suggesting a cycle. But again, in no way disqualifying. Certainly still a good chart, especially given that the free cash flow to the net income conversion is about 90%. So that's great. Switching to the leverage, the L, about 3 times debt to EBITDA. That's okay. I think you have to be a little careful here, just in case you have a situation where profits could decline a lot further cyclically. So you want to investigate that if you're going to do more research. But I would say it's not, it's not bad. Switching to the valuation factors, the S and the E, well, that's where this really shines. Looking at the S, the smooth free cash flow yield, you have about 22%. That's amazing. That's another way of looking at it is that it's a company trading at a 5% normalized free cash flow, if history were to repeat itself, of course. So that's great. Now, switching to the V cap rate, the E in the framework, you have 8%. That's pretty good. Again, EV cap rate looks at the last 12-month data and the whole enterprise value. And so 8% on cyclically declining earnings, it's not bad. So putting it all together, you have good economic profits, good free cash flow, okay balance sheet, and a pretty attractive valuation. So to me, this is interesting. This is worth a further look. If you want to do this for any stock on your watch list or in your portfolio, the link to the templates is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.